Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a problem that affects millions of people worldwide. Heartburn. If you've ever experienced that burning sensation in your chest after a meal, you know how uncomfortable it can be. But don't worry, we've got you covered with practical tips to help you get rid of heartburn for good. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to get rid of heartburn. Get rid of it! First things first, let's understand what heartburn is. Heartburn happens when stomach acid flows back into your esophagus, causing a burning sensation. This can be triggered by certain foods, eating habits, or lifestyle choices. Common culprits include spicy foods, citrus fruits, chocolate, caffeine, and fatty foods. Being aware of what triggers your heartburn is the first step to getting rid of it. Adjust your diet. A key strategy to manage heartburn is adjusting your diet. Start by avoiding foods and drinks that trigger your symptoms. Instead, incorporate heartburn-friendly foods into your diet. Non-citrus fruits like bananas, whole grains like oatmeal, and low-fat dairy products can help. Ginger is also a great natural remedy. You can add it to your meals or drink ginger tea. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Large meals can put pressure on your stomach and cause heartburn. Instead of 3 big meals, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This can help keep your stomach acid levels more balanced and prevent that dreaded burn. Stay upright after eating. Gravity can work in your favor when it comes to heartburn. After eating, try to stay upright for at least 2 to 3 hours. Lying down can cause stomach acid to flow back into your esophagus. If you need to lie down, try propping up your head and shoulders with a pillow. Wear loose clothing. Tight clothing, especially around your abdomen, can put pressure on your stomach and push acid into your esophagus. Opt for loose, comfortable clothing to help alleviate this pressure. Try natural remedies. There are several natural remedies that can help soothe heartburn. One popular method is drinking a mixture of baking soda and water. Just mix a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize stomach acid. However, if you have high blood pressure or are on a sodium-restricted diet, avoid this remedy as it can increase sodium levels. Drinking apple cider vinegar, ACV, before meals can also help balance stomach acid levels. Mix 1 tablespoon of ACV with a glass of water and drink it before eating. Be cautious if you have acid reflux, as ACV can sometimes worsen symptoms for some people. Aloe vera juice is another great option. Drink a half cup of aloe vera juice before meals to reduce inflammation in the esophagus. Make sure to choose a brand that's specifically for internal use and avoid it if you have a history of intestinal issues like Crohn's disease, as it can have a laxative effect. Manage stress. Believe it or not, stress can contribute to heartburn. Finding ways to manage stress can help reduce your symptoms. Practices like meditation and deep breathing exercises can be very effective. Even simple activities like taking a walk or spending time with loved ones can make a big difference. Keep a heartburn diary. Keeping a diary of your symptoms and what you eat can help you identify patterns and triggers. Write down everything you eat and drink, as well as when you experience heartburn. This can help you make more informed decisions about your diet and lifestyle. Make lifestyle adjustments. While this video offers a helpful toolkit for managing heartburn, there are 2 other important lifestyle factors to consider. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce heartburn episodes. Excess weight puts pressure on your abdomen, pushing stomach acid upwards and irritating the esophagus. Even modest weight loss can make a big difference. Smoking is another culprit often overlooked. The chemicals in cigarettes weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscular valve that keeps stomach acid down. Quitting smoking strengthens this valve and can dramatically improve heartburn symptoms. If you're a smoker struggling with heartburn, talk to your doctor about smoking cessation strategies. It's a win-win for your overall health and heartburn relief. When to see a doctor. If you've tried these tips and still experience frequent or severe heartburn, it's important to see a doctor. Chronic heartburn can lead to more serious conditions like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. A healthcare professional can provide you with more personalized advice and treatment options. And that's it. Practical and effective ways to get rid of heartburn. Remember, making small changes to your diet and lifestyle can have a big impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.